I'm going to talk about corn.
Okay, let's talk about it.
So, nobody really likes shucking corn. And when I was growing up, it was always the kids' job. Family picnics, you know.
Every
so,
summer.
I was probably about 12 years old when I realized I'm going to find the most efficient way to do this because I'm tired of shucking corn.
You're a smarter guy than I am.
So most people start with the silk at the top. I start at the back. And just snap that off.
Okay.
Peel it down. Excuse me. Trash can.
I always love learning new techniques for simple things like this.
And then you grab the top, the whole silk, and just snap it. Pull it all the way down. That gives you one clean side. And then I roll the top.
Okay.
Hold all the silk.
So you really get a lot of the silk.
I get a lot of the silk this way, and it's pretty quick. And then
that was really quick. Definitely faster than I do it.
Let's try it.
All right, so you go. Here, Brittany, you do one with me.
Okay.
So do the back end first.
Back end first. Just snap it off.
Oh,
there you go. And then you just pull it straight down.
Okay.
And then you grab the top of the silk.
Top.
Snap that off.
Snap it.
Peel it off.
Peel it off.
And then you start back at the top, kind of twist.
Twist.
Get a hold of that silk and pull it down.
We should do this to music. Have a little choreographed little dance here.
There you go.
So, and
Beautiful, I love that.
Before you know it, you're done shucking corn and you can go back to playing.
This is awesome. I love that technique. Because the corn silks, they just always stick to the corn and you can never get them off all the way.
Yeah, and people use brushes and,
nothing works. Nothing's easy.
So, this technique I discovered. So.
And you developed this yourself too. You didn't find this on like a viral YouTube video.
I did not.
You created this.
I did.
Now we have to create the viral YouTube video. So share this video with all of your friends.
So we're going to make a peach, tomato, and corn salad.
Okay.
We're also going to do a little bit of basil pesto to accent that. So this is where it gets a little messy because corn always likes to fly all over the place.
It sure does. That's all right. We have somebody else that comes in here and cleans up after us, so we don't have to worry about that. Now you're working with totally raw corn.
Totally raw corn.
If you had boiled corn, like just some leftover corn on the cob from the night before, could you use that in this as well, or you really want that raw?
I really like the raw.
Yeah.
Maintains its sweetness.
And corn is so sweet this time of year too.
It really is.
You can't beat summer corn. I'm gonna steal some.
And
it's so good.
This is local corn. Came out of Lancaster.
Nice.
We're fortunate enough to have a farmer right down the street, Lester Weisel, supplies us with a lot of our produce.
Fantastic. You guys really are so lucky here in the Lehigh Valley to have access
to such
incredible produce.
Okay, so again, this is a salad that we do at the restaurant sometimes. Really clean, real simple.
Shallot?
Take a shallot.
Okay.
I like using shallots because it's a little lighter flavor than a regular onion. So we're just going to dice that up a little bit.
And is this to make like a bit of a dressing for the salad, or?
It's part of the salad.
Part of the salad itself, okay. It's a nice fine dice you have there.
Well, thank you. So a little bit of shallot. So just a little bit of garlic.
Nice, a very flavorful salad for sure. I love looking at all of the different tomatoes.
It's bright, it's colorful.
Vegetables you have
fresh.
Here. Yeah.
So garlic, shallots, some fresh cut peaches, heirloom tomatoes that were
tomatoes
growing on property at Spinnerstown.
Really? That's amazing.
And then we have some nice fresh cut corn. Again, I kept it raw.
Take these.
Thank you. Yeah, there's some salt. Again, don't be shy with your salt.
Yeah.
Some pepper. And 'tis the season. Some fresh basil.
Oh, lots of fresh basil.
And again, this is kind of a rustic salad, so you don't have to worry about pretty knife cuts.
I can already smell that. Smells great. Smells so good.
Leave that to us at the restaurant.
Yeah. That is the smell of summertime right there, is fresh basil.
And then for the seasoning, I have infused olive oil. We like to use this a lot at the restaurant.
What's it infused with?
Garlic, onions, bay leaf, peppercorns,
Wow.
thyme, rosemary, and parsley.
So you infuse that yourselves at the restaurant?
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah. A little bit of sherry vinegar.
You chefs love your sherry vinegar.
We love vinegar. And what's nice about vinegar is, if you don't want to use a whole lot of salt, you can get that brightness from the acidity of the vinegar. So.
This is such a beautiful salad. This is the kind of food that I want to be eating in the summertime.
Absolutely.
Exclusively.
Yeah, I don't get tired of this.
Yeah, maybe a cheeseburger on the side, but mostly this.
I have a question for the
Sure.
chefs. I don't know if you can tell us a tip on how to pick good peaches, because when I go to the grocery store, how do you know? Is that
That's a
the
great
right one
question.
to get? Is it too ripe? Do you have any tips on that?
If it smells like a really nice ripe peach and it's kind of soft, not too soft, you don't want it mushy.
Just a little give.
And just a little bit of give, and just have that nice fresh peach smell to it.
So smell them.
Yeah.
They won't
Don't-
look at me funny, right?
Don't be afraid to put your nose on it.
In the market. I'm used to getting looked at funny.
So to finish this dish, going along with the flavors here, we have a basil pesto. This is a very simple basil
Beautiful.
pesto. Garlic, Parmesan, olive oil, basil. Just a little
Any
bit of salt.
nuts?
I don't use
No
nuts. And the reason being is because there's a lot of allergies these
Yeah,
days.
for
So
sure.
I leave the nuts out just for them.
I love that. Keep it inclusive.
Yeah. Just a small smear.
Love that. Reinforcing all of that basil.
Yeah. And you can do this for picnics. You can do this for dinner parties. It's a really versatile salad. And then I'm going to top it with just a little bit of goat cheese.
Yum.
Give it that bright acidity, a little bit of richness to it. And that's it.